Hello, friends, brothers, Amazonists and Amazonians and brothers of the world. I want to wish you a 2025 full of decisions and action. Our Amazon is degrading with each passing day. I don't have much hope that in 2025 the deforestation rate will decrease. And even if it were to decrease, it would likely be by a minimal percentage. The destruction will continue, and it will continue unstoppable as long as we don't change our attitude, especially from the state. We as civil society, what can we do? We don't have the financial or logistical resources. We might have the intellectual resources, but nothing more. The task is theirs, and we are going to support them. Not the national state, which for Peru has already produced the regulations, they are already there. The responsibilities of subnational governments, especially regional governments and subsidiarily local ones. We already worked here in San Martin, and we were the pioneers. And the one speaking was the one who promoted the economic ecological zoning. No one understood it. That tool has already been worked on, which should help us organize the territory. What is not being done? Millions of souls have been invested in that ecological economic zoning and the latest update that was launched. The past year for San Martin, and as long as we do not use that tool, everything will continue as it is. You from the government, subnational, regional, or local, cannot expect the immigrant to have the ability to classify the land by its highest use capacity. Neither you nor I have it. I don't know. There are some specialists who are surely listening to me, who can probably determine some general qualities of the soil by sight. But the one who comes from Huarmaca, from Leimebamba, or from Bagua, or another place in the Andes or the coast has no idea what soil they are occupying. And they think that because it is green, it is rich, and that is not true. In the Amazon, and it destroys, and once the forest is cut down, there's nothing more to do. It doesn't regenerate just like that. The damage is already done. So, the inefficiency, the slowness, the sluggishness in understanding that the territory needs to be organized to manage it properly is destroying the Amazon. And that is the task of the government, the regional and local government. There you will have us helping you, supporting you. How do we do it? By proposing things, mobilizing the population. But you have to start investing in territorial planning, or we are going to lose this wonderful Amazonian language that gives us so many opportunities in light of the international market situation that has occurred. So I hope that by 2025, finally we can build that territorial management that we need. Because if not, do you hear the chainsaw? I don't know if you can perceive it. They are acting constantly. Let's be together in this titanic task, my dear friends. Let's form a unity, a single fist. In that purpose, a hug.